Hi, I'm Andy Young from Yamaha Motors, and this is Yamaha's new offering to its ROV lineup, the Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000 XTR. Let's take a look to see what makes this machine so special. With the 999cc power plant providing significant torque levels over and above the 850cc Wolverine, this is one machine that's extremely capable. The power plant is connected to Yamaha's legendary Ultramatic CVT drive, providing permanent belt tension under all conditions. Incorporated in the CVT design is a separate sprag clutch, providing excellent engine braking for those steep descents. And there's a centrifugal clutch, providing smooth take-up when setting off in the vehicle. These key features in Yamaha's CVT drive design lead to improved driver confidence and safety levels. Having a 1000cc power plant in an ROV greatly reduces the stress on the engine, increasing its durability and service intervals. Power is delivered to the rear via a final drive, both rear wheels driven simultaneously, the same speed all the time, giving you maximum traction. Our Japanese engineers have given the Wolverine RMAX 1000 automotive-style rear drive shafts, capable of transmitting all that additional torque to the rear wheels. Drive to the front wheels is provided by a differential unit. Yamaha's engineers have decided to incorporate a limited slip diff element to the design. This provides torque transfer to the front two wheels depending on the conditions, and when the going gets really tough, you can actuate the diff lock, providing drive to the front wheels in exactly the same way as the rear. True four-wheel drive. With the RMAX4 having 29-inch tyres all round, Yamaha's engineers have incorporated larger brake discs to provide exceptional stopping power for this machine. The RMAX comes with Fox QS3 shocks all round, and they're adjustable too. 3 different settings depending on the terrain type. Setting number 1, really relaxed, full suspension travel, nice soft supple suspension. When you're on the trails, setting number 2, a little bit harder, and when you're in the sport mode and you need full feedback through the suspension, we'll go for number 3. The RMAX4 suspension travel is in a whole new league, 360mm up front and 338 at the rear. The RMAX also comes with a quality worn £4,500 pull electric winch, and coupled to that, dual purpose mounting points at the front for use with snatch blocks and when you're tying the vehicle down to your trailer. All RMAX models come with an integral rock slider and a frame kicker at the rear to make sure that no obstacles catch on the rear tyres or the bodywork. The RMAX4's cargo bay can be easily extended by simply moving the rear seats forwards. Seatbelt buckles are easily stowed away in the centre and the cover back on. Our Yamaha engineers take great pride in listening to market feedback, and you as the customer have asked for an improved ease of entry. The various modes of the RMAX four-wheel drive system can be selected on the move. Two-wheel drive for the easygoing terrain, four-wheel drive for more rugged terrain, and of course diff lock for maximum traction. Yamaha's chip control throttle has been incorporated into the design of the RMAX, giving the ECU the ability to manipulate the throttle response and sensitivity. The YCCT system provides the driver with 3 very different driving modes. On the D selector we've got Sport, Trail and Crawl. In the Sport mode we get maximum throttle response and dialed back engine braking, giving us true performance and feedback to the driver. The Trail position provides the driver a middle ground, excellent throttle response, but also superb engine braking. By selecting the Crawl mode, we get additional throttle dampening, but retain maximum engine braking, giving the driver full control over technical terrain. Regardless of the position you choose, you get maximum horsepower and torque. Both brake and throttle pedals have been redesigned to give additional comfort to a wider range of drivers. Driver ergonomics has played an increasing role in vehicle design in recent years, and the RMAX is no exception. Engineers have incorporated a large number of features into the vehicle to minimise fatigue and maximise driver comfort. The soft touch steering wheel has a 17-degree adjustable rake, and that's done by the lever down the left-hand side. Pull that towards you and you can set the steering wheel to any position you like. It's completely variable. When you want to exit the vehicle, just pull the lever towards you again and it'll reset to the top height. The soft touch feel also applies to the automotive-style handbrake, and its positioning gives the driver excellent leverage when applying. Again, the soft touch gear lever is extremely easy to move, no clunky gear changes. For added comfort, engineers have included soft touch knee brace points for both driver and front passenger, allowing them to stabilise the bodies even over the really rough terrain. The soft touch feel has been extended to the centre box, adding to driver comfort. For storage, we've got the centre box and we've got cup holders front and rear, and even a glove box for the passenger. All 4 3-point inertia reel seat belts have a 6-point adjustment for the shoulder height, accommodating all size of drivers and passengers. In keeping with the Wolverine family of vehicles, the RMAX has a fully adjustable front seat, just like in your car, giving massive legroom for any size driver. And for the passenger, they get a handhold that's fully adjustable, depending on their size and reach. The seats provided in the RMAX are of automotive quality, cut and sew design with a very durable material, ideal when out in the bush. All 4 seats include bolsters both on the back and the seat base to help keep occupants in the right place even when the going gets really rough. The RMAX comes with a full roof and rear view mirror as standard. Yamaha's chip control throttle allows for a speed key to be incorporated in the design. This limits vehicle top speed to 40 kilometers an hour, but does not limit in any way torque output, so ideal when towing trailers in a commercial environment. Maximum safety, but maximum performance also. As with all Yamaha ROVs and ATVs, they come with marine grade wiring, and inside every connector is a rubber seal to keep the moisture out and ensure good connection for many, many years to come. So there we go, the all-new Yamaha RMAX4. Seriously, what a machine, packed full of features for safety, drivability, and of course, comfort. The vehicle comes with a full 3-year manufacturer's warranty, giving the owner peace of mind during ownership. The vehicle can tow up to 907 kilograms, which is a fair weight behind an ROV, but with a 1000cc engine, this machine does it with ease. So now it's your turn. Get yourself down to your local Yamaha dealer, book a test drive. You'll thank me later.